As campaigns heat up, many people will be looking to make a kill out of the handouts politicians will be dishing around. However, there are those who will be out to con Kenyans in the pretext of collecting campaign funds for parties, with the latest casualty being the youngest political party, the National Alliance.
A certain group calling itself the Supreme Candidate Lobby Group has been extorting money from members of the public using the name of Mr. Uhuru Kenyatta, or purporting to be associating with him. And this lobby group is going about pretending or purporting to conduct opinion polls through number 3839, where you are asked to give your preference for Mr. Kenyatta as a presidential candidate, or whether you prefer him or not.
Unsuspecting Kenyans have found themselves on the giving end as they are duped to parting with a total of 225 shillings to the group.
If you say yes or no, then they tell you now, if you intend to join the lobby group of the Supreme Candidate, then go to the menu, you are given a bill number there, and then you are told you are going to be charged 225 shillings.
The party has now filed a complaint to the Central Police Station and with mobile phone service provider Safaricom, demanding that the con artists be brought to book.
For that reason, we had come to report the matter here for police to take action.
Kenyans have also been cautioned against sending money in support of the party, with its Secretary General indicating that any such move to help the party gather funds would be officially launched at a later stage.
We have no association at all, and if it is politically motivated, we ask whoever is behind this to desist immediately. We reiterate, we have no association whatsoever with that lobby group, and our candidate, our party, have no such lobby group that will be entitled supreme candidate. We have no supreme candidate. The supremacy of being is left to deity or to God. For us, any lobby group that will come up will be lodged and launched officially.
Nancy Njoki, GBS News.